Which snack is super filling, simple to make, and boosts your intake of veggies, vitamins, and minerals? Well, I'm not talking about a green smoothie, although that's a good guess and a healthy choice. Today, I'm talking about homemade dips, one of the healthiest snacks for pregnant mamas and growing bubs. If you want to know my 3 favourite dips to eat when pregnant, stay tuned. Hi, my name is Melanie McGrice. I'm an accredited practicing dietitian specialising in nutrition for women, especially for fertility and pregnancy. If it's your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I hope you have a good look around and check out some of my other videos. While you're here, why not download my free pregnancy meal plan from www.melaniemcgrice.com/pregnancy. It offers plenty of tips to ensure that mums and bubs get the best nutrition to set up a firm foundation for health now and in the future. So, back to why dips make the perfect pregnancy snack. Well, for starters, you can make them from a wide range of diverse ingredients, such as eggplant, salmon, or butter beans. Then you can add more nutritional punch by serving a rainbow of veggies on the side, including carrot, red and yellow capsicum, snow peas, green beans, cucumber, cauliflower, and broccoli. Now, time for my big reveal. Here, in no particular order, are 3 super healthy dips to eat during pregnancy. They're packed with vitamins and minerals, and I've added a twist to each one to give your taste buds an extra treat. So, number 1 is tzatziki. Your growing bub needs calcium to build strong bones. So, with its star ingredient of calcium-rich plain yogurt, this dip is a top choice for mums-to-be. Yogurt also contains good bacteria, which boosts your digestive health, obviously essential during pregnancy. To make tzatziki, simply chop up some cucumber or pickles, garlic, dill or chives, and toss them into some plain yogurt with a little zesty lemon juice and a sprinkle of Himalayan sea salt. For a tasty twist, blend this mix with some soft pre-bought cooked beetroot. Spice it up with a swirl of extra virgin olive oil and a dusting of paprika. Now, my second dip is also Mediterranean. I've chosen hummus. Now, you may have read that you shouldn't eat hummus during pregnancy, and that's true if it contains tahini. Check out my video on Can I Eat Hummus When Pregnant for more details. However, long story short, you can safely eat this yummy homemade hummus, which is made from chickpeas, but blended with red capsicum or pumpkin for extra flavour and beta-carotene, which is particularly beneficial for your bubba's eyesight. Now, chickpeas are a great pick-me-up between meals because they're packed with protein and fibre, which helps to keep you fuller for longer. Plus, they boost your intake of resistant starch, which feeds good belly bacteria to boost your immunity and help combat colds when you're carrying your baby. Now, to make this dip, simply blend a can of chickpeas with some roasted capsicum or pumpkin, then add a dash of extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, a sprinkle of sea salt, and turmeric. And last but not least is my third choice, avocado dip with an added twist of edamame beans. Eating an avocado a day has a roll call of impressive health benefits. It helps lower bad cholesterol, is rich in nutrients that have been found to reduce inflammation, and feeds our good gut bacteria, which helps to establish your baby's microbiome. You can make it into a quick dip by mashing it with a fork, or for extra fibre and protein, make avocado dip with edamame beans. Keep them in the freezer and steam them, then toss them into the blender with the avocado, a splash of lime juice, a little bit of garlic, and a touch of yogurt for a creamier texture. So there you have it, my 3 top dips with a twist for pregnant mamas. And for more personalised nutrition advice, please book a nutrition assessment with one of our dietitians at melaniemcgrice.com/booknow. And if you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to like it and share it with friends. You can also follow me by scrolling down to click on the links in the description box below. Thanks for listening, and make sure that you check out my next video. I'll see you soon. Yeah, that's my name, isn't it? Melanie McGrice. Sorry. Came a bit crazy. Yeah. Sorry, I'll just have to, yeah, that's perfect.